In this video, we are going to explore what hyperlink does. So we have all these options of hyperlink in the insert menu. Now what hyperlink does is, let's suppose that I have mentioned the text click here. Now I want this click here to be clickable and it should refer to either an external website or it should move to a certain place within this document, either to the bottom or to the top. Also, let's say I want to move it to a particular heading, or you want to create a new document by clicking here. So what you can do is just simply select that text where you want the hyperlink to be applied and just right click and click on link directly from here, or otherwise you can go to the insert menu and click on hyperlink from here. Now, as I said, you can link it to existing file or a web page as well. So let's say I want to open the website www.accounttech.com.pk. So this is one website, and as soon as I click here, hold the control key and then press click, what it will do is it will open the website. Similarly, whenever I want to edit that hyperlink, I'll just right click here and we have all the editing options now. We have option to edit the hyperlink, open hyperlink, copy or remove the hyperlink. So whenever, let's say you want to remove it altogether, you can just click on remove hyperlink and then it's removed. And let's now reapply and explore some more options. I'll just right click and click on link again directly from here. And similarly, I can link it to existing file or web page. Here I can see the current folder, which is set to Microsoft Word 2024 course. You can refer to some file in a particular folder, or you can browse some pages that you recently accessed, or you can just refer to a recent files. So let's say if I want to refer to some external document, I can set it here, and whenever I click that, it will open that document like this. Similarly, let's edit the hyperlink and let's change the linkage to place in this document. So let's say I have different headings identified as headings. So this history of America should move to the diverse legacy when I click here for more info, let's say. So if I click here now, it will move down to America's diverse legacy, this heading. So this makes overall Word document very easy to move through. You can use this hyperlinks however you want. You can also create a new document with the click here option, and you can also name a default name for the new document. For example, let's say new hyperlink document. So let's click OK and it will create a new document named new hyperlink document. Similarly, it immediately accesses that. If I now click it, again new hyperlink document. So guys, this is how you can make the most of this hyperlink option. Now also you will notice that whenever I hover over to this click here option, you will see the screen tip where it is accessed from. But let's say I don't want to show this, rather I want to show some description about it, what this hyperlink does. So I can just edit that screen tip as well. Right click, click on edit, and from here you can choose the screen tip where I can say to see more details about rich culture of America. Click OK, and now it will show something like this. As you can see, the path is now removed and now it looks more proper, more professional. So guys, this is something about the amazing uses of hyperlink. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next video.